your thing, you see it? When them go up on my channel and see your thing.
Tell us say money for vote. If you don't get the money for vote, we now.
You know vote, yeah.
Any piercing, thousand dollar gear, any piercing. We have clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. Clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. $1,000 gear, any piercing. So come and catch the sale. And remember, you don't have to pay if you feel any pain. It's right over here, so $1,000 gear, any piercing. $1,000 gear, any piercing. We have clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. Clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. $1,000 gear, any piercing. So come and catch the sale.
63 low queen, one mobile. All I woman they know me.
Mobile body piercing.
Yes, yes, so we there. So till we there down there so now, down at the lane, we have a store down the lane, mobile piercing.
Mobile piercing. Alright, I'm not over there. Where's your name?
They are low queen and Bedford Street.
Bedford Street.
Which part you want to go?
I want to go big street.
You don't know the story of the car, but you got to go to next media.
Alright, so that street here lead to Princess Street, is it? So we just go and walk seeing you see it, people. Why people I like this, is it? Watch out. Watch out, man, I couldn't pass this in people. You have this with popcorn, you have eye donor. You have all like big artists and that thing. It's a good look. Then say welcome to the dance hall, Wall of Flame. It's a good look. Look like I said, this will lead me to market. You see it? But I'm not wasting time. I think you guys want to see market. Right music, you see it? You don't know Jamaica style already. Music always play Jamaica. It's a big Ross enterprise right on the inside or something. Alright, so then so this leading me right to Big Tree, I see it. Oh, go on. Yeah, up and running. Let's do a little vlog, you see it? So you're good, you know what? You're alright, you know what, son? You want to pick up your place? You want to pick up your place? Alright, my G. Mommy, you stay with the camera thing, I'm just a little youth. Pick up yourself, mommy. The lady said no, she's not here. Yeah. But they have big tree, no? Big tree.
Then you go by car and you go and a big tree there.
Alright.
Up on the car and you just go that way there.
Go that way here. And continue.
Yeah, continue.
Which Jamaican reggae artist? So, which Jamaican reggae artist started?
What go on, man? Eh? No, I'm not catch him, man. I'm not catch him, boss. Sorry about that, man. One thing with town, you know, people. Music I gotta play, you see it? Can't find the music where I play at town.
Low queen, one mobile. All I woman they know me.
Mobile body
yes,
piercing.
Yes, so we there. So till we're down there so now, down at the lane, we have a store down at the lane, mobile piercing.
Mobile
So,
Alright, I'm not with you. What's your name?
They are local and Beckford Street.
First Street.
Which part you want to go?
More I got big street.
I got a big tree.
Yeah. Coffee tree, more I go back. Yeah. Alright. Alright, me at the point. Okay, say general in the both Fiesta, house smell like clothes.
$1,000 so come and catch the sale and remember you don't have to pay if you feel any pain.
Open.
It's right over here, so $1,000 any piercing. $1,000 any piercing. We have clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. Clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. $1,000 any piercing. So come and catch the sale and remember you don't have to pay if you feel any pain. It's right over here, so $1,000 any piercing. $1,000 any piercing. We have clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. Clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. $1,000 any piercing. So come and catch the sale and remember you don't have to pay if you feel any pain. It's right over here, so $1,000 any piercing. $1,000 any piercing. We have clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. Clit, navel, nose, and ears ring. So come and catch the sale and remember you don't have to pay if you feel any pain. It's right over here, so $1,000 any piercing. $1,000 any piercing. We have clit,
Hey, it's like they shy people.
navel, nose, and ears ring. $1,000 any piercing. So come and catch the sale and remember you don't have to pay if you feel any pain.
Hold it what go on, man? Eh? What go on? Yeah, you can't pick up something out there, man. We can't there so you now showcase a thing. Showcase a thing, man. I used to tell you orange them, the good orange them and thing. Oh yeah, and orange them look like them sweet, man. Yo, only if I money me give you already from me, I do this, and I don't know if I have more change left. I give you all of my money already. What you selling orange? What you selling? 151. Alright. Yeah. Oh, man, vlogging. The vlogging thing. Yeah,
vlog, random vlog.
Yeah, so I do my thing. Next media. Yeah.
So where you want page channel?
But more on it today? More people to see what go on downtown, man. And big up a business them, you see it? Like you, we are the liquor hustling and thing. Yeah, people can know, say, yeah. Your thing, you see it? When they go up on my channel and see your thing.
Tell them say, wow, money for vote. If you don't get the money for vote, we now.
You know vote, yeah.
Money for vote.
Yeah. Alright, wanna go and big up on yourself. Hey, what you say now? Yeah, showcase something.
Showcase something different.
Alright.
Alright, watch it now.
Yeah.
Watch it now.
Yeah.
We have the nice dress, them, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, so right, so what
Yeah, you can also hold it.
yeah, ma'am, I have the nice dress, them right, so. I have the anti-grip, miss grippy, miss hold my tight leg on me from far, come back here, so. I have all of the dress for them, you know that. Some nice, sexy dress for them. You have the one them we can shape out the girl body them from way out. So you know, you look way over here, so over the captain over here, so. Way out of the captain, yeah, out there, so. You can see them when them have all them nice dress, so you know me I talk about. Yeah. All of the sexy dress them for the woman. So them has a cheap and clean, you understand? Don't no pass over 2.5, you understand? Everything right there, so nice and look good and cheap. I'm have the nice orange them over right there, so too. If you come right there up on Beckford Street, up by top part, you can see the nice orange them over here, so to turn around. Over here, so I have the nice slippers them for the woman them. The anti-grip, miss grippy, hold me from far, come back here and come near.
So who them for?
Yeah, who the for me, look for me.
Yeah.
Me, Jaime _ CEO. You hear that?
Alright.
and me them for come to in I town. If them want no, them want pants, shirt, blouse, slippers, panty, earring, jewelry. No matter what them want, them come to me. Understand? All body piercing, I have it for them. Yeah, Mama Virgin them will do them thing there. I have everything, you understand? Yeah, right, that's for them for come. Jaim, yeah, remember that. Jaim _ CEO. Alright, big up yourself in my father. Buff them, you know.
Alright, big up. So, I remember the next meeting people. Alright. Alright, people. I go on my boss, you know, are you do them thing? I can't say, yeah, man, I promote your thing, man. We can't left out your thing, man. Yeah, man.
No, for talk.
Yeah, talking. Alright, yeah, asking what go on then. Alright, people, see boss thing the right you're saying they sell it good up slippers them for females them, you see it? Yeah, man. I wouldn't ask to the eye name so they can ask you. Ask the king. Alright, and you make them yourself. It's a good look, man, you see it? Yeah. For a price range, where you start from? 3 and up. It's a good look, man, you see it? Yeah. Alright, people, so right now we're there in the street seeing we as to see what go on, you see it? Yeah. That's a show no what go on seeing we do, you see it when I done it? I'm show no what go on seeing we. Yeah, you know it.
Yeah, yo, you know who fix John?
Who fix John?
Come on, girl. Hello.
Alright, people. Yeah, man, up and running.
Fine juice, man. Go, man, carry it. Look at the apple over here.
One thing with Jamaicans, you know, people. Jamaica is a place where a lot of hustlers are and things. You see it? Jamaicans not depend on people. You understand what I say? That's one thing with Jamaicans. Jamaicans always a try. You see it? Always a hustle. That's one thing I love about Jamaican. You see it? The Jamaican always a try. I want to see it on yourself. You see it? I think the cash not really flow so good at Jamaica still, you see it? That's why enough time people we say yeah, they want to left Jamaica and go foreign because the dollars not so strong like overseas. That's just that. Copyright, I miss me. Gotcha. Oh, go. See it here now, people. We find one meat shop, you see it? And you sell all type of meat right here. Alright, people, so we're back off for tree and one thing, you see it? Some of those. Just a show now, I go and see him. You see it, people? So I'm go and watch the video, see him. Yeah, up.
First win that job.
Yeah, people just a show now go on the trees. And just go and take in trees, see, you see it? Yeah, man, this is a little scenery off the trees in a peak hours, you see it? Sorry. Everything they are doing, you know, man. The people are going in yard, you know, you see it? Yeah, people, some just stand up right just a little. You can go and watch how I go on, you see it? Just go and take in how I go on, man, you see it? Everybody a try to reach out in yard. Hey, are you this? Oh, go on. Oh, go on, oh, go on. Where you doing from again? Oh, what's Sean with it though? What's your name? Oh, yeah. yeah, real. Yeah, man, bless up yourself. Oh, you just come from work?
Yeah, step forward.
Alright, big up. A place like a chilly, people. Very, very chilly. So I'm going into this. You have a gas station over there with name Total Energizer. And you take bus down to people for the country. So I'm going to get the gas station and go buy something. You see it? Somebody just go over there and show now how I'm going. How this? Poor people. Alright, some of those people are going to the gas station here, grab something, and then you know, just head a country again, you see it? And that's what gas station if you say about supermarket, but I mean easy. Just I grab something quick and fast. I want gas stick me because it. See if I have no money. I need to beat my bird. Even though I want Jaja. Let me pick up one boner or so. So I can full my belly. How much Arizona? Arizona. How much it? $400? Can't afford it. Pick up something cheaper. Where is this? Billion something.
It must be light.
Okay. Then I may grab enough people as well. Yeah. The people say country time and I know. See me can find a bus. Got a country, you see it? What going on? Yeah, they're down. They come and town though. Oh, you're free. Oh, so you're busting there. Why you busting there? The one you go over? Something just gone. Something just gone. Buffet. Right, yes, oh, go on, girl. I'm gonna start with something more. Over your work? Okay. Alright, people. Come on, big up on yourself, you know. That's it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Next media. Come on, up and running.